operating Trail King's air ride controls. You notice this is a tri-axle with a third axle lift. Your automatic and manual knob, and your override push-pull ride height control. Anytime running down the road, the suspension knob should be in automatic N. In this position, you're able to adjust the air ride by unloosening, pulling for increase the air ride, pushing to lower the air ride. Factory recommends you pull out about an inch, tighten. In automatic, suspension will be soft and automatically adjust your ride. Into manual mode, out. Now you're able to operate the ride height controls. In for dump, center for hold, out to increase. Center, hold, in, dump, center, hold. Do not run the trailer down the road in its manual override position. Always run the suspension in automatic. Airlift, airlift up. Again, ride height control, suspension ride height. In for automatic ride, and your air ride adjustment knob, in and out. Manual to use the override. In, dump, center, hold, out for increase, center, hold. Down the road operation, always run suspension in automatic.